All right, shares of Innergex, INE, on the Toronto Stock Exchange are up almost 11.5% on a new deal with Hydro-Quebec. Hydro-Quebec is going to inject a 61 million Canadian dollar investment into the company. This is really good timing for us. We had just done a report on Innergex on January 15th. It's nice when we do a report and it's a bullish report, and then just a few weeks later we get a nice pop in the stock. We had no idea this was coming, but it's a nice bonus, that's for sure. So some details about the transaction. So 661 million is going to be injected in the company for 20% stake. That is roughly about 20% of the shares too. And it wasn't at a premium. It was pretty much at yesterday's trading price. And so the shares being up 11% are not based on some premium that's being paid. It's based on the excitement that Hydro-Quebec is taking a position. The use of proceeds, say the company's plan to invest in wind solar projects with battery storage or transmission, distribution generation, off-grid renewable energy networks. Okay, so wind and solar is basically the bottom line there. Both, obviously, Hydro-Quebec does a lot of hydro, and Innergex does too, which is considered renewable. And you know, people are starting to make these investments in solar and in wind, and I think wind, especially right now, has a little bit better economics than the solar. But I think both wind and solar are going to become viable. You know, maybe a little ways to go, but clearly this is an area of new investment. Okay, so that's the deal on the transaction. We are going to take a quick look at the model, which we did the other day on our other report that we had done. So when you get a utility, you usually get low returns. Let's just focus on the last 4 or 5 years. It's kind of sometimes a little wonky when they first come out. They're putting in a lot of money. That I'm circling there. Is down there as an investment like cash injection there, and the capital's growing. That's the bottom chart. Top chart is that return. Return kind of settling around 3, 4, 5%, somewhere in there, and that's typical for a utility. We don't expect much more than that, and also we think the valuation's pretty good. I like that they have this new partner, a very strong partner. A 3.3% dividend yield at the moment, so that all looks pretty good to me. I think it's a good, it's a good block and tackle with a little bit of new wave in that they're renewables. I'm still liking Innergex. Thanks for watching our investment video. If you want to improve your portfolio returns, simply subscribe. Or if you're an investment advisor or retail investor and you want help with your portfolio more directly, we can help you with a managed account and manage each and every trade for you.